Did you know that every sip from a plastic water bottle could expose you to microplastics? Every year, billions of plastic bottles are used and many end up in landfills or oceans, breaking down into harmful microplastics that contaminate our water, food, and even our bodies. These tiny plastic particles are invisible to the naked eye, but harmful to your body. Studies show that microplastics can enter your bloodstream, disrupt hormones, and even damage vital organs like your brain over time. But there's good news. You can take a simple step toward a healthier life, ditch single-use plastic water bottles and switch to reusable ones. Reusable water bottles are safe, eco-friendly, and help reduce plastic waste in our environment. Choose health. Choose sustainability. Choose reusable water bottles today. Protect your health. Say no to microplastics. Choose reusable. Join the movement for healthier living. Let's protect our earth and use reusable water bottle. Switch today for a healthier tomorrow.
Experience the vibrant energy of the city. Stay refreshed and confident with every step. Embrace a healthy and active lifestyle. Choose our sporty, insulated, reusable water bottle. Feel the difference.